I was really excited when I first heard about Wholster because I thought this is an amazing opportunity. This is going to like revolutionize the industry and really change the game. So I've listed about 3 or 4 deals on the platform, and the experience was great. I mean, it was really easy to get all the information uploaded. It's been really easy to market the properties. It was really easy to package the property and to present it in such a way that I feel like was really enticing to any potential buyers. It's really, really easy to accept offers on the platform. Not only have I received like a lot of interest in the properties that I've posted, I've also made some great connections with folks that have made offers on the properties and have been interested in the properties. It's been really easy to get the word out about some of my more challenging properties to move. The way that Wholster plays a part in growing my business is that it makes the disposition process so easy and seamless. So I can just upload my pictures, put some information, upload comps, upload a video, upload everything that a potential buyer would need to know. And then it does all the heavy lifting as far as the disposition process goes, right? It does all the marketing, it sends it out to all the people, and all the buyers come to me, which is great.
So when I first heard about Wholster, I was very excited. I'm new to investing. I'm coming in with a lot of ambition. I feel like a lot of that was quickly stifled when I realized how time consuming it was to comb through deals through my inbox and all the Facebook groups and all the other places that deals are posted. So it was very frustrating. When I found out that Wholster can now provide push notifications for my buy box that I set up, and I get notified as soon as something pops up, that was just huge. Knowing how much time I'd now be saving. When something comes up, that's something I'm already looking for. So yeah, that was huge.
This deal was something I've been looking for a while. I was trying to find something in a better area. I really didn't expect to get the deal as quickly as I did. She listed at a really good price right from the get-go, so I gave her a full ask offer right from the beginning. The fact that I could just chat with her immediately, and we were able to close the deal. Honestly, Wholster just made it really convenient.
I liked how easy and accessible it was. I edited photos, posted it. He submitted an offer along with a few other investors, and then we scheduled a walkthrough, and it was all done within 48 hours. How easy it is to do something like that versus post to 15 different Facebook groups, make a web page for it, all that goes into advertising or marketing an off-market deal. It makes your life so much easier so that I have time to respond to 10 o'clock messages and sell properties, 24 hours a day.
Wholster is super simple and super easy to use. I've literally posted deals right from my phone in the car outside of the property and had someone contact me within minutes. It's everything that everyone was always looking for.